This is a pasta for mussels lovers, and this pasta will build you mussels. There is something special about mussels. They bring summer all year round into your kitchen. Let's bring coastal flavors into your plate. My life, maybe the most beautiful food creation I've ever done in my life. I'm so surprised how good it is. Ingredients for 2 people. 1 kilo of fresh mussels. These are beautiful mussels from the east coast of Australia. They are fantastic. 300 grams of linguine pasta. About 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Half standard glass of white wine. 2 garlic cloves. Some chopped parsley. Optional, but for me it's important, the capers. 1 or 2 tablespoons, up to you. Extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's start cooking the sauce. I recommend to get a large fry pan with a lid. So let's put this on a medium heat. Great. What we're gonna put down, we put just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 garlic clove, just like that. Okay, we just wanna give flavors to the pan. A little bit of parsley, not too much. And now we put the mussels in with the water from the mussels. Let's put it up now on a medium-high heat. I'm gonna cook these mussels fast, okay? I'm going to put a half glass of wine in it. Now we put the lid on. And let it cook for about 5 minutes. We want all the mussels to completely open. The reason why we put the lid on is we want to keep the flavors inside, but we also want the steam to help the mussels to open, okay? So lid, medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. So I'm not meant to open the lid, but look, I just want to show you. See how they're opening up? See how they're opening up there? That's what you want. But the steam not only is opening up, it's also keeping the beautiful meat inside the shells nice and moist. So let's put the lid back on. All right guys, it's been about 5 minutes. And here we go. All our mussels are open. Just stir them around. We got a beautiful sauce there as well, full of flavors. If you guys love chili, you can put chili, of course, but you can always do that at the last second before you serve the pasta. What we need to do now, for me it's very important, is to scoop out the meat inside the shell and throw out the shell. Me, when I eat pasta with mussels, I don't want shells. Maybe you can have some shells for decoration. Yes, you can keep some. But I want to eat the meat. Also, when you do this step, you get to clean the mussels a little bit more. And make sure you don't have unwanted ingredients in your mussels. But see, I call this juice. See this juice from the mussels? This is liquid gold, guys. Liquid gold. You can keep some shells just for the final decoration, up to you. For me, it's not important. What we do now, we get a bowl, a strainer, colander, and you just put kitchen paper inside, okay? Now the first thing we want to do is to make sure we get rid of all the liquid from these mussels. Just because this liquid is not very clean. Get the mussels back. Now, we want to pour the liquid into here. And you will see how much we're going to collect. Unwanted ingredients that you don't want to eat. Just take your time to do this, don't rush it. All the unwanted ingredients, guys, are here. And this is a very, very important step. Now, as beautiful liquid gold here is clean. It's ready to be used. We're almost done, so what I recommend, start cooking the linguine. The linguine I'm using today need 12 minutes to cook al dente. But what I'm gonna do, I cook them for 10 minutes, so 2 minutes less. Cook the linguine, 2 minutes less, the packet tells you. Reason why is because we're gonna finish cooking the linguine in the saucepan with the sauce. Here we have a large pot of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now we're going to boil the pasta for 10 minutes. 2 minutes less than the cooking instruction on the packet. Just quickly push down, give a little stir. Let's start making the sauce. On a medium heat, we put a nice fry pan on, about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we crush the garlic. And 1 garlic clove is more than enough. But if you love 2, go for 2. What can I say? The garlic should be cooked for about 20, maximum 30 seconds, until it becomes golden. We don't want to burn the garlic. Add some parsley. And now we add the tomato paste. All right, and now is the time. Add the liquid gold in the sauce. Will be the time. Now let's melt this tomato paste. That's what the liquid gold is going to do. Now let's put the rest of the liquid. Perfect. And now we just wait. Now this is going to reduce a little bit while the spaghetti are cooking. While the spaghetti are boiling, this liquid is going to reduce a little, which is great. In the meantime, let's put some salt, as much as you like. You can put some pepper in there if you want. Let it cook on a medium heat while the pasta is boiling. The liquid gold is now red liquid. It's perfect. See, we have enough here for the pasta to make love with. Perfect. It's been 10 minutes and the linguine can now go in the pan. Now cooking the pasta for the last 2 minutes in the sauce, it's pure magic. Right guys, now let's mix the pasta. What we're doing right now, it's pure magic. The linguine making love with the sauce. So basically the linguine are getting all the beautiful flavors, the mussels flavors. I've added the tomato paste because it adds colors and makes the dish a little bit richer in flavors. Just a little touch. We got an extra minute and a half and then we can add the rest of the ingredients. What I like to do now is to toss. Can you see how the pasta is absorbing the liquid? See, the pasta is thirsty, all right? There is no need for pasta water, as you can see, because we already have the liquid. So we don't need any pasta water. What we need now is to add the mussels, capers and parsley. So what I like to do now, we add the mussels and we add the capers and a handful of chopped parsley. Now, quickly stir. 30 more seconds and the pasta is ready to be served. Let's put some extra virgin olive oil. Switch off the pan. Can you see the liquid has been absorbed by the pasta? See that? The liquid has been absorbed. We don't have much liquid in there. Look, from the liquid we had before, these are all we got left, which is full of flavors. Extremely, extremely full of flavors. Let's do a little toss. Yeah, beautiful. You want to add pecorino cheese to this? Up to you. This is the time to do it if you want to do it. And then toss again. But come and have a look. After doing some tossing, more water has been absorbed by the pasta. Can you see the magic of tossing? How important the tossing is for the pasta. All we got left to do now is to serve. Let's get a nice portion of linguine. And here we go. Oh, look at that, so silky. You can see it's silky. I can feel it. Silky it is. Now let's put the mussels on top. I think capers play such an important role in this dish, and if you don't have it, you're kind of missing out. If you don't like capers, there's nothing I can do, don't use them. And now we put the sauce on top. This liquid is worth a few $1 million, guys. Ah, a final touch is some parsley over the pasta, and then we're done. Time for taste tasting. Let's see how delicious this pasta is. Alright, let's twirl this beautiful linguine. Oh my God, the explosion of flavors that I have in my mouth. Wow, the liquid gold really adds an incredible amount of flavors to this dish. The capers play an important role. I think the tomato paste plays a very important role. Wow, pasta cooked in the liquid gold for 2 minutes, extremely important. Wow. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of mussels. It's not my favorite thing to eat, but this dish, guys, is one of the favorite things I've ever eaten in my life. The explosion of flavors I have in my mouth are indescribable. I cannot describe what's happening in my mouth right now. Seriously. My life just changed right now. I didn't know I was gonna love this dish so much that I'm gonna put this dish in my top 3 favorite dishes on the planet. This is amazing. Maybe the most beautiful food creation I've ever done in my life. I'm so surprised how good it is. What have I been doing until now? Wow. Guys, make it now. Go to the fish shop right now, buy mussels. Do it now, please, and get extra mussels into your life. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. A life-changing